Hello there, my name is Finn Neal. As some of you may have heard, the distributing of plastic bags in Queensland among retailers has drastically diminished since the introduction of the single-use plastic bag ban in mid-2018. This ban was introduced due to the negative impact that these non-recyclable bags were having on the environment. Today, we will give an insight into the way in which these bags are manufactured and distributed by analysing the supply chain used in plastic bag production, as well as the information systems that could be used by these manufacturers themselves. A typical supply chain can be broken down into 4 sections when analysing how it operates successfully. The initial stage is known as the supplying stage. This breaks down where and how the raw materials of a product are sourced from. For plastic bags, these raw materials and components are sourced from various industrial manufacturers of machinery, synthetic resins and rubbers, and chemical products as well. The second stage focuses on the manufacturing of the desired product. The processing of these raw components into the plastic bags sees the unsupported polymer films and sheets from these sources manufactured and produced to give the end product. The third stage involves the distribution of product from the manufacturing factory. With the plastic bags ready for use, the manufacturers distribute the products to various plastic packaging wholesalers, such as Amcor and Propak Packaging, for example. From here, the fourth stage is initiated, allowing these wholesalers to further distribute the bags to various retailers, such as supermarkets, department stores. Basically any store that sells product that would need bagging. These bags are then, of course, introduced to the customers at the point of sale, often, unfortunately, resulting in many bags either being attempted to be recycled or lost back into the environment. Now, over the past decade or so, the information systems used by the plastic bag manufacturers haven't really changed at all. This graphic shows the basic manufacturing process involved in the production line. With the manufacturing process being simple and almost unchanged as well, most factories should use forms of office automation systems. This would allow the companies to easily calculate and regulate order quantities, transportation times and costs, as well as employee costs and rosters as well. It ensures that the company upholds a streamlined process as well as ensuring the bags get to the retailers as quickly as possible. E-procurement has recently come to the light in the past decade and allows companies to gain many benefits from operating online. Plastic bag manufacturers could potentially use or already be using this to gain benefits, such as automated payments, less human error, faster information processing speeds, and overall cost savings. By utilizing this information system, the efficiency of the entire supply chain of plastic bag manufacturing could drastically increase. Unfortunately, it may not be worth it for these plastic bag manufacturers. They face a huge challenge to stay in business over the next decade. The ban on single-use plastic bags could be just the start of an entire culling of the product, possibly within the next decade itself. With eco-friendly products being more and more sought after within our modern world, it may only be a matter of time before the plastic bag is non-existent. In 2018, a whopping 71% of consumer and 77% of business respondents stated a willingness to pay premium for environmentally friendly products. With these increasing challenges, many plastic bag manufacturers will have to either adapt and look to start producing eco-friendly bags or venture into similar production fields such as other plastic-based products.